Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of not receiving WhatsApp messages unless you open the WhatsApp application. A simple method that does not require anything. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to Settings. Then click on Applications, then click on Applications again. Then search for the WhatsApp application among the applications you have here or write in the application's search engine. Write WhatsApp and it will appear to you. Then click on Notifications and then activate Allow All Notifications. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, is to go to your WhatsApp. Then go to the three small dots above here, then click on Settings. Then go to Notifications and make sure that all notifications are activated in your WhatsApp account. Thus, you will be able to solve this problem. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.